Welcome to Mommy See Star, where we learn about beauty, truth, and goodness. Today I'm doing a little something different. I'm doing a voiceover for this tutorial because we're going to be exploring how to do an acrylic swipe. And I've done a lot of experimenting over the last couple years, and this recipe really worked. This piece turned out really vibrant and has a lot of cells, so I'm going to share that with you. I got these Artist Loft paints for $6 at Michael's, and they're all real small tubes, so you can make like maybe two 9x12s. These are neon colors, super bright, and a great price. I'm using a Liquitex gloss medium, and that's going to be my paint thinner. I'm also going to mix in some water, just a little touch of water, because I want my paints to be thin enough but not run together. I also need them to be thinner than what I put over the top. This is silicone pouring oil, and that creates cells. Here I'm playing with the order of my colors, and I let them sit a bit so that the bubbles could come to the top. Many artists use a torch. I don't have a torch to get rid of the bubbles. So now I layer on the black first. The black is slightly thicker. This is crucial. The black is slightly thicker than the colors that go on next. The black will swipe over the top of the colors, and the colors underneath are thinner so that they bubble up to the top. This is really, really important. Now I'm using a paper towel to swipe the black over the colors, and this is a time lapse, so it's actually very, very slow. And you can see the cells, the little circles coming up already. I took it off screen and used a hair dryer to bring out the cells, and some of the smaller cells that you see are created by bubbles, because I do get bubbles in my pieces. A lot of the people online really liked the reflection of the chair. They said it looked like some kind of ancient ruin, so I painted it back in with blues at the base of my painting, and this is the dried result. Look at all those cells. I used a little bit more silicone oil this time, and this is the end result of this process. I call this piece Rebirth because it looks like the ruins at the bottom and the fire and the brightness coming down, raining down onto the ruins from out of the sky. So I encourage you to try. It's a really fun process to make an acrylic swipe. Stay creative, and thank you for joining me today. God bless you and give you peace.